Speak like a native. Common informal expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting and useful. Common informal expressions and phrases in English. Knowing these will help you sound more natural and make your conversations flow better. So let's jump right in. Informal expressions are phrases or terms that are commonly used in everyday conversation but are usually not appropriate in formal settings like business meetings or academic papers. These phrases help you connect on a personal level and make your language more relatable and engaging. When you meet someone, instead of the formal, "Hello, how are you?" you might hear, "What's up? Hey, how's it going? Hi, yeah." And when leaving, instead of "Goodbye, catch you later, see ya, I'm outta here." You don't always have to say, "Yes, I agree," or "No, I disagree." Try these. "For sure," "You bet," "Nah, no way." Instead of saying, "I'm surprised," try, "No way, you're kidding, for real?" Instead of the more formal, "Could you please? Can you give me a hand? Mind if I could you do me a solid?" To offer help or something else, instead of "Would you like? Wanna? How about I need a lift?" Remember, the appropriateness of using informal expressions depends on the situation and the relationship you have with the person you are talking to. For example, it's generally not a good idea to use informal expressions in a job interview or when speaking with someone in a position of authority. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you found this guide to common informal expressions and phrases useful. The next time you're chatting with friends or want to sound more natural in English, don't hesitate to throw a few of these phrases into the mix. Happy chatting, and catch you later.